Hello everyone, thank you for purchasing TENVIS product. In this video, we will use the iProbot 2 as an example to learn how to set up a wireless camera. What you need for a proper setup? First, a computer that has internet access. Second, a router. Third, a TENVIS wireless camera package. If your computer isn't compatible with the enclosed CD, please download the IP Camera Wizard from the official website www.tenvis.com/download. Before you begin, make sure your modem and router are powered on and connected to the internet. Make sure your computer has internet access, either a wireless or a wired connection. Hardware installation. Take out the camera carefully and check if the following items are included in your package. Make sure there's no physical damage to the camera. Screw the antenna onto the camera and tighten it by hand. Connect the camera to the router with a network cable. Plug the camera into power. When connected, the camera starts to pan and tilt. Allow the camera to finish rotating. At the same time, check if the yellow network status light is flashing. Software installation. Insert the enclosed CD into the CD-ROM drive to install IP Camera Wizard. Click Auto Run and select Language. Select IP Camera Wizard. Ignore the warning and click Yes to continue. Select Language. Click Next. Check I accept the agreement option and then click Next. Select Destination Location and then click Next. Click Install to continue. Click Finish and run IP Camera Wizard. For first-time users, please select the Wizard mode. Step 1. Connect the cable. Make sure the network cable is connected to the camera, and then click Next. Step 2. Select the camera you want to configure, and then click Next. Step 3. Set the camera's IP address. If a red flashing arrow appears, it means you can visit the camera on your local area network over web browser. If not, click One Key Set and enter the camera's account and password. Default account is admin with no password. Then the camera will reboot. Now the LAN view is set up properly. Click Open and enter the camera's username and password to visit the camera. Type admin and click OK. Sign in the right mode according to your browser. Now you can get live video from the camera. Step 4. Set up wireless LAN. Check using wireless LAN. Then click on Scan button to search for your own wireless router ID. You may need to scan for multiple times. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter password in the Share Key text box. Then click Apply. The camera will be restarting. Meanwhile, you need to disconnect the network cable from the camera. Set up properly. Click Next to configure network access. Step 5. Setting up Dynamic Domain Name Server. Click Next. Step 6. Port Forwarding. Click Set Port Mapping. Select your router's brand and enter its username and password. Click OK, then it will set up port mapping automatically. If failed, open your router's IP address. Open the Port Forwarding or Applications and Gaming tab. Each router brand will be different, but look for these two options. If you don't see them, try Advanced Settings and look for a Port Forwarding subsection. Then click Add New. Enter desired port of a camera in the service port and internal port. Then copy the camera's IP address into the IP address text box. Save your settings. You might need to restore your router for them to take effect. Go back to the wizard and click Redetect. Click Next if successful. Open the Internet Access URL in your browser and log in. If your computer can obtain image from the camera, you have set up Internet View properly. Please note down these URLs. Let's get Mobile View. For iPhone, search for CamViewer in App Store. Then download CamViewer. After installing, run CamViewer and click Add button on the top right corner. Enter device name, Internet Access URL, and the camera's username and password. Click Done to finish. Now you can get live video on your iPhone anywhere, anytime. For Android phone, download IPCam Viewer in Google Play, or you can download it from the following website: www.tenvis.com/download. Run it after installation. Click Add button and select camera type as IP camera, DVR, or NVR. Enter the camera's name. Select model. If your model isn't included, try JPT 3815 and then enter the camera's Internet Access URL, username, and password. Then click Test and Save. Go back to the camera viewing interface. Now you can get live video on your phone anywhere, anytime.